what is safe, boring, uninteresting, and lacking adventure. I am terrible at drinking water. I feel like I drink maybe like 16 ounces a day, if even. Hey everyone, I'm Pachia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. If this is not your first time here, you've been to my channel before, you see my previous videos or you see my future videos landing on this video, well hello and welcome back. If there's one thing that I know for sure is that you and I are human. Now, I don't know what it means to be human, but I do know this. We are our own person with our own likes and dislikes, dreams, hopes, fears, things that annoy us, and things that bring us joy. So as of right now, today, this moment, my channel is all about exploring what it means to be human. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I hope you consider subscribing. So today's video is all about why we insist on playing the what if game. Now I know I'm not the only one who does this. When I think about my past, I play what if. When I think about my future, I play what if. But the what ifs for me comes in really hard after I leave an audition. When I leave an audition, I never feel super great about myself. I'm always like, what if I didn't mess up that line? What if I wore a different outfit? What if I gave them a different headshot than the one I already gave them before? Like, it comes in hard and it's really just like a lot of self-loathing. I'll admit that when I think about the past and I'm playing the what if game, which by the way is a losing battle because the past is the past. You can't change it. I can't change it. No one can touch it. It is a little comforting because it's already happened and it's in like its little safe zone. But do you know what safe kind of means? Boring, uninteresting, and lacking adventure. And maybe that's why playing with the future is such an uneasy feeling, because the future is so uncertain. It's unknown. I mean, we could have aliens come land on Earth tomorrow. You don't know. Or maybe we could have another natural disaster just hit us. Like, you and I, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. We may have intentions for tomorrow, but there's no guarantee that tomorrow will come the way you want it to, or tomorrow will be the way you want it to be. But here's the thing. We have control over our thoughts and our feelings. So we can use what if to our advantage. What? Oh my gosh. How do we use what if to our advantage? Well, we use what if to visualize the life that we want, to visualize our desires and to manifest it into our reality. We use what if to take that step to the adventure our soul is craving for. Is it crazy to think that 2 words can change a person's life? No. Think about all the other 2 words that can change a person's life. For example, when a person gets married, he or she says, I do. Or if you are sexually active and your period is late, you say, I'm late, which can then lead to pregnant. So no, it is not crazy to think 2 words can change a person's life. Because we have control over our thoughts and our feelings, let's use what if to our advantage. Some of my what ifs are, what if I moved to LA? Or what if my business took off sooner than I thought? Or what if I actually got that part? If you're thinking I am way too busy to use what if to my advantage because I am too busy focusing on what is, I get it. I hear you. I've been there. Story time. I hope I did not just hurt your ears. I have said it before that I am no singer. My first YouTube video, before I even started my YouTube channel, I thought about it for a really long time. Years, to be honest with you. And I would think about what if I just started my YouTube channel and then I let my life get ahead of me and I was like, you know what? I don't have time. I have to focus on what is. And so it became this vicious circle of what if, what is, what if, what is, until I was like, you know what? Screw it. You know, I'm just gonna do it. And I did it. So it was about 6 or 7 months ago, my first YouTube video. And I haven't watched it since, and I don't ever plan on watching it again. But anyways, I get it that sometimes our life just gets the best of us and we don't have time. But here is the good news. Using what if to your advantage is a 3-part equation. Yes, I'm throwing math at you. I'm Asian, and as you know, all Asians are good in math. Lies. This Asian is not good in math, but I wish I was, because you know, math is the same all over the world. 2 plus 2 will always be 4. The first part of using what if to your advantage is the most fun, because it's all about fun. It's about imagining what if and allowing all the good feelings to come to surface. The second part of the equation is a little difficult, because now you have to decide and say, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get this done. And the third part of the equation, which is the most difficult, is to take action behind the decision that you made from having fun in the what if. Taking action can be and is intimidating, because you're no longer living in the fun. But when you're just living in the fun and allowing all those good feelings to come to surface, it's like living in the past. Safe. And what is safe? Boring, uninteresting, and lacking adventure. And I completely understand that we sometimes need to live in the fun. We need to live in the possibilities of all the good things that can come. That's why using what if to our advantage is a 3-part equation, because we are not built to ask ourselves what if, have the fun, let all the good feelings come to surface, decide, and take action. At least I'm not built like that. Like I said, it took me years to even post my first YouTube video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for watching this video. I hope that you are leaving entertained, inspired, or motivated. If you're not feeling any of that, then I have failed as a creator. The standards I hold for myself are pretty high, but if you're feeling me and you want to hang out with me on a weekly basis, then click the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Till then, have a beautiful day and a beautiful week.